Oh my God, what has she done? Look at this. No, he's not a thing. He's a 183. 183 and not a 181. And he's some work to do. I'm over the moon. Check him out. Check him out. Oh, look. So excited. I've always wanted to own a military vehicle. I am such a sad excuse for a girl. Look, that's a... Wow. Oh my God, happy days. Look at that. Oh my God. And it's Spanish legal. Yep, it's Spanish legal. Oh my God. Wow, there's lots to do. Could be so worthwhile. I have a big problem. Wheel nuts just won't come off. Had the extension bar on there, had the scaffold bar on there. They're all lubed up. The idea now, or the plan is now, to push it back with the tractor, because this Iltis is in the way, currently in the way, but needs to go back over here. So we get the car in and out. So we're going to collect the tractor because it's already in the 30s and it is about 10:30 a.m. It's going to be push the Iltis back to where it's going to stay while repairing it, reconditioning it, sorting out, looking at the floors. What I'm going to do later, I'm going to take the seats out, so I'm going to look at the floor pan. I know there's holes, but let's have a proper check of the floor pan. I'm going to push it back into its space, and I'm heading inside to do some editing, and then plan to come out here about 7, 8 o'clock maybe, till 10 o'clock. Be a lot cooler. Now I've already got a couple of names thought up for this one. One of them is Cam and one of them is Max. So if you want to put it in the comments, should I call it Cam or should I call it Max? Cooling down a bit, finally. Wow. I found the brush, but I haven't found the dustpan. Let's get the brush. I've been dying to get into this all day, but it was paperwork first, and then go from there. Let's get the brush out. Who's nicked my dustpan? I know where it was. We had a fire alert the other day, and I know it's in my cupboard, the dustpan. It's fallen to the bottom. But where it was, this was the day before yesterday, we had a wildfire 2 kilometres up the road, which was too close for comfort, which meant I had to quickly grab all the bags, which meant everything went flying in the cupboard. And because I collected this the day after, I haven't put the cupboard back together yet. So it was in a mess. My house is in a mess at the moment. Let's call it a temporary mess. Obviously I'm going to wash all these down. It's going to be easier not to have all this dust in here. That's what I need. I need a little Hoover, don't I? This is where the battery goes anyway. That's what I've got to look into, take some photos, see if we're 24 volt or 12 volt. Oh, I think we're 24. 24, I think we're 12, don't know. Let's get some crap out. What is that? Better come out. Alright, now the temperature's finally cooled down, I'm going to clear some of the rubbish out of my truck. It's been 40 odd degrees today and it's boiling. I haven't put extra clothing on. This is my... I am not good in the heat. This is my ice pack jacket. Yeah, it's a jacket. It's bloody brilliant when it's hot. And you put ice packs in it. That's it. And it's the only way to survive here in Spain when it's hot outside. So, yeah, I've got my ice pack jacket on. Let's get some of the... we'll investigate Let's wait for it to cool down. It's now about 8 o'clock. Just want to investigate what's in it. Haven't had a chance. There's some sort of gator in there. See what bits I've got. See what I've got bits hiding in here. There's only one of them, whatever that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know how good it be. Oh, CV joint with grease. Oh, don't know if that's going to be any good anymore. But don't even know if this is for this car. I'll get all the bits and parts that I have got in the car out. Clean it down. The plan is to clean the car down tomorrow and then start some work. Obviously I need some floor work. Obviously there's a lot of bits to clean up. I don't know where half the stuff goes, what half the stuff is. Let's see what we've got in here. Bit of an investigation. What we got? We've got a battery clamp. Oh, yeah, we got a battery clamp. Oh, we've got to work out if it's a 12 volt or a 24 volt. Because there were 24 volts. We've got a bird nest. Obviously it's an old bird nest, otherwise I would be leaving it in there. Yeah, a little old bird nest. Oh, that can go, can't it? So it's going to be cleaning out first. Get all this old soot out of here. See what bits, parts, I don't know what bits and parts we've got. Take them inside, and some of them might be usable. Get them together in one box. One box of parts. Oh, Christ knows what dead stuff's in here. Let's sweep it on the floor. I could do the hoover really, couldn't I? Don't want to find a mousey or anything. Not a dead mousey. There's a couple of bolts in there. Don't know how long it hasn't run for. We've got some. Oh, it looks like it was an ambulance one. I shall look up that sticker later. It looks like it was an ambulance one or a medical one. Right, what stickers we got on here? That's the Spanish ITV. Don't know when that was last ITV'd. It will show me on my paperwork anyway. Let's get all the nuts and bolts off. Woohoo! Cooling down. It has been an absolute scorcher today. If I put them all on that seat, or we go over this side. I could do a brush, couldn't I, really? There were all sorts of spiders in here. There's some sort of housing thing. I wanted to do this earlier, but oh my god, it's been so hot today. Anyway, I did put the paperwork in. Paperwork went in today, so a couple of weeks I should have me paperwork back. Obviously it's going to take longer than a couple of weeks to get it on the road, but it's always nice, a bit different getting the paperwork in Spain. Yeah, it's all legal. Anyway, it won't be all legal in my name. And I keep expecting there to be a gecko jump out at me. Wow. Right, just a little look under the engine bay of what we have. There we go. This is how I got it. Also, I've noticed there's that'd be the second bird's nest. There's another bird's nest here. I'm still on my tidying it up because I don't want to find any crawlies. Right, like I said, I wouldn't bring that out if that was a bird in there. I'd let it stay in there. What we got down here? Oh, somebody else got a brush. I don't need a brush. I need the dustpan. I can't find a dustpan at the moment. Look, I've got some old sparkler. Well, that's the wheel off the back, and squirted all the hinges and stuff bolts with WD. That looks quite good, that one. Still cleaning out the inside. Obviously it's full of dust, but getting cleaner. Don't want to do it all and not actually film it, so it's coming out. Just saving all the little bits. But it, oh look, oh, there's some scary bits in here. But it's coming along. Gotta dust that out there. That's the housework done for the day. Look, the whole bag of dust just come out of it. I've still got to obviously I've got to blow it out, and obviously got to have more of a clean. Just got to have a lot more than just a clean. But I don't think it's that bad. Yeah, we've got some floor rot here. Front left. See that? See the light shining through it. This is just a hole. A bit of floor rot over there at the front, a bit less. Main floor rot is here at the back here. See it? And main is by the battery compartment. The rest of it, can't see it. I'll have to put a light on it tomorrow. The rest of it looks pretty solid. Oh my god. Could it be that it just looked really shit? I'm going to have them seats out tomorrow so I can get all the dust and crap out from behind them to blow out. And I'm going to have this hood off as well. Because the hood can stay original because I could repair it. Or do I make a brand new hood for it, which I'm capable of doing. It's going to be some brand new seat covers. I don't think anyone's going to want to sit on my truck in them, are they? I'll clean them up, but I'll do the seat covers possibly for over the top of them so that I can keep the crappy originals underneath. But they will not be flowery. They will not be flowery. Oh, I'm delighted. Delighted in Spain. Got my hat on because I didn't want any spiders. Spiders crawling in my hair. Oh, basically it is a lot of old crap. Kind of expected there to be lots of old crap in, but expecting geckos to jump out of me. Ah, fawns. Don't want fawns. Lids. And just keep any brackets or bolts that I see, and the rest of it's just going in the bin. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Right, need to get that pen and brush out there. That span and brush would be the way forward. I think they've seen better days. That's really sharp, that one. Let's chuck it over the side of the garden. Screwdriver somewhere. Oh, right over there, I can see it. Right over there down the front. This has obviously been replaced. Fuel tank, which is plastic. Could she actually be a good one? Oh, well. I am blowing it out today. I hope so. Does look like this frame's pretty solid. Oh my god. I found that yesterday, the bit of the rear light, the little reverse light. Reverse light? Yeah. Fog light. Fog light. That bit needs replacing, obviously. Oh, there's me. Oh, let's get a trailer. There's me hook up. There's me hook up. No bull bar though, is it? Oh, that's going to be a problem in Spain because they don't like you to have anything different. So I probably can't get a trailer. I probably can't get a trailer because I'd have to go through a lot of paperwork to get a well, mind you, it only has to be MOT'd every 4 years. Put it on and then take it off again for the ITV. MOT, ITV. Possible. I am in the element. I am. Right, now it's out with the air compressor. Well, that's the wheel off the back, and squirted all the hinges and stuff bolts with WD. looks quite good, that one. Still cleaning out the inside. Obviously it's full of dust, but getting cleaner. Don't want to do it all and not actually film it, so it's coming out. Just saving all the little bits. But it... Oh, look. Ooh. Oh, there's some scary bits in here. But it's coming along. Got to clean, dust that out there. Right, just a little look under the engine bay of what we have. There we go. This is how I got it. Also, I've noticed there's a that'd be the second bird's nest. There's another bird's nest here. I'm still on my tidying out because I don't want to find any crawlies. Right, like I said, I wouldn't bring that out if that was a bird in there. I'd let it stay in there. What we got down here? Ah, somebody else got a brush. I don't need the brush. I need the dustpan. I can't find a dustpan at the moment. Right, I've got some old sparkler. So I'm round the back of the project, cleaning it out, and I'm thinking, I'm sure it's making noises, this vehicle. Look, it's Bear on the roof. What are you doing, Bear? You want to be involved in the new project? Okay, this is bugging off now. Bear, it's not that frightening. But yeah, that's the noises I heard, you jumping around, monster. Luckily, that is not live. I've just pulled that off the inside. That's not live. It's not filled with waspies. It's quite a place in Spain. That looks like that's been chewed by mice or rats. I think mouse got things. I'm not thinking geckos, I'm thinking mouses. Nieces! Nieces! Oh, it's so nice. It's actually cooler now. I'm dying to get into this all day. When it's 40 degrees outside, it's only one you can do, hide inside. But, little hole there. Little hole. Little hole always turns into a bigger hole, doesn't it? A bigger one. Actually, less hole than I thought there was originally. I'm sure I won't be saying that by the end. Hey, looking pretty good shape. And the rubbers don't feel like they're too perished. We shall find out though. We'll find out. All I can do today is get a bit of housework done. It's not in the house, it's in the bin. And have found the dustpan. So why I'm still using my hands, I don't know. The dustpan has been heavy. Oh, just do me housework. I'll blow that all out with the air compressor. Ooh. Right, here's me numbers.